everyone. Now, I thought it might be helpful to have a video where we can practice our phase 2 sounds. So if this is helpful, let me know and I can make some more videos. Let's see what's inside, because it says it's a matching words and pictures game. So here we've got a pig with the word pig. In this game the child is called a k-id, so they've matched it with the child. What's this? Sun. So we're matching the word to the picture. Let's see what ones we can find inside. Brilliant. Okay, so I need to match. What's this? Excellent, it's a sock. Let's sound that out in our fingers. S-o-k, sock. Now, is it this word or this word? Let's see, which one begins with a S? That's right, it's here. S-o-k. This says d-ol, d-o-l, doll. So it's not that one. You over there. Sock can come over here. Oh, brilliant, that fits perfectly. You got it right. Okay, so let's see. Oh, brilliant. We'll keep going with the S sound because we need the sun. Okay, let's get some options. Is it? We know that starts with a D and we don't need a D, do we? D-o-o. Let's need that one. Is it this one? L-e-g. Leg. No. Or s-a-n. Sun. Absolutely. There we go. Oh, and it fits perfectly. Well done. Sun. Okay, this one. Hang on, we've seen this word. This is a leg. Can you point to your leg? Well done. So tell me, is it this one or this one? That's right, look. L-egg. Leg. So I can move doll. We've got 3 right. Well done. Amazing. Let's move one on. Okay. Let's see. This is a doll. Let's sound it out. D-o-l, doll. We've definitely seen that. Look, D-o-l. When we see the 2 L's together, we say all. Well done. Doll. Brilliant, well done, we've got 4. Should we do some more? What's this? It's a bucket. Can you say bucket? B-a-k-e-t. Bucket. Okay. Is it this word or this word? Let's see. M-ud, mud. B-a-k-et, bucket. It's this one. Remembering, when we see C and K together, it makes the k sound. We say k once, so it's b-a-k-et. And look, it fits together perfectly. Brilliant, we'll move that one out of the way. What have we got next? What's the person doing here? That's right. They are digging, so we're going to say dig. D-I-g, dig. So, m-a-d or d-i-g. And that's right. It does look muddy, but it is dig, and you can see that fits together with that brilliantly. Well done. Okay, ready for 2 more? Okay. What's this? It's a rabbit. Can you say rabbit? R-a-b-it. Rabbit. Okay, is it this one? No, that starts with so it can't be that. Or is it R-a-b-it? Rabbit. Again, there's 2 letter B's, but we don't say R-a-b-b-it. We say B once. 2 letters making 1 sound. It's a diagraph. Well done. All right, let's find that mud. There it is. Big muddy puddle. And let's match it. Well done. M-a-d. Mud. I wonder if you can find some mud on a walk today. Well done, everyone. See you soon.